All right, so today let's take a deep dive into what it takes to be a dental assistant.
Okay.
And we're not going to be looking at like a textbook definition or anything like that.
Right.
We're going to look at a real-life internship application.
Interesting.
And yeah, I'm really curious to see, what kind of insights we can pull from that.
Yeah, I think that's a great way to kind of get past the textbook definitions and really see what are the skills and qualities that are actually valued in the field.
Exactly.
It's one thing to know the steps of a procedure, but it's another to see how a potential assistant describes, their approach to patient care or problem solving.
Right, right.
So, yeah, I'm excited to jump in.
Me too. So the application starts off with a kind of a classic question.
Okay.
Um, why do you want to become a dental assistant?
Hmm.
And this applicant mentions, a passion for oral health,
Right.
patient care, and hands-on work.
Uh-huh.
So is that kind of, what you would expect to see?
Yeah, absolutely. I think those are kind of the fundamental qualities.
Yeah.
But what I find interesting is how the applicant goes beyond just listing them.
Right.
They talk about wanting to make a difference in people's lives,
Hmm.
by helping them maintain their oral health.
Mm-hmm.
So it reveals kind of a deeper motivation and a connection to the human impact of the work.
Yeah, no, that's a good point.
Yeah.
It's not just about the technical skills.
Right.
It's about caring for the patients as well.
Absolutely.
And speaking of skills,
Okay.
the application lists communication, attention to detail, and eagerness to learn
Mm-hmm.
as key strengths.
Makes sense.
So pretty standard, right?
Yeah. I mean, those are important.
Yeah.
But let's kind of look closer.
Okay.
The applicant doesn't just say they're detail-oriented.
Right.
They give a specific example from a previous job where they caught a critical error in a document,
Oh,
and potentially saved the company money.
wow.
So that shows that they understand how attention to detail translates to real-world situations.
Okay, so they're not just saying the right words. They're showing they can back it up
Exactly.
with some actual experience.
Exactly.
What about the technical side of things?
Okay.
I know sterilization is a huge deal in dentistry.
Huge.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
I know.
And the applicant specifically mentions experience with an autoclave,
Okay.
but here's where it gets interesting.
Okay.
They talk about not only following the sterilization procedures, but also understanding the reasons behind each step.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, so that shows a deeper level of engagement
Mm-hmm.
and a commitment to safety that goes beyond just ticking boxes.
So it's not just about knowing how to operate the equipment.
Right.
It's about understanding why it's important.
Exactly.
I guess that's where the eagerness to learn kind of comes in.
Exactly. The dental field is always evolving.
Mm-hmm.
There are new technologies and techniques emerging.
Right.
And so this applicant seems to have that mindset of continuous learning, which is crucial for staying ahead of the curve.
It sounds like this applicant is off to a good start.
Yeah, for sure.
But what about those kind of tricky situations
Okay.
that inevitably come up in a dental office?
Right.
How do they handle things like nervous patients
Uh,
or unexpected problems?
Right. Let's see what the application reveals about their approach to those challenges.
Okay, so the application goes on to ask about handling a nervous patient.
Okay.
And it seems like every dental office has at least a few of those, right?
Definitely. Yeah, and this is where those interpersonal skills really come into play.
Right.
This applicant describes a situation where they calmed a nervous patient by clearly explaining the procedure in simple terms, offering distractions like music,
Right.
and even just taking the time to listen to their concerns.
So it's a mix of practical techniques
Yeah,
and just being a good listener.
absolutely.
It makes me wonder, how much of dental assisting is really about managing expectations and emotions.
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah.
It's a huge part of the job, Right. You're not just dealing with teeth, you're dealing with people
Right.
who might be anxious or scared or, even in pain.
Right.
And so the ability to create a positive and reassuring experience for them
Mm-hmm.
can make all the difference.
Yeah, that's a great insight.
Yeah,
I'd imagine that takes a lot of empathy and patience.
for sure.
But what about those moments when things go wrong,
Okay.
like a sterilization mistake?
Right.
That seems like a pretty high-stakes situation.
Absolutely. And the applicant addresses this directly in the application.
Okay.
They highlight the importance of immediately reporting any sterilization errors to the supervisor,
Right.
ensuring that instruments are reprocessed correctly,
Of course.
and documenting the incident to prevent future mistakes.
So they understand that patient safety is paramount.
Absolutely. Yeah.
But sometimes it's not just equipment that can be a challenge.
Right.
What about dealing with a difficult or demanding patient?
Yeah, that's another tricky scenario. And the applicant's response shows a good deal of maturity here.
Okay.
They emphasize the importance of remaining calm and professional,
Mm,
actively listening to the patient's concerns,
right.
and trying to find a resolution that satisfies everyone.
Okay.
They also mention the importance of involving the dentist if the situation escalates.
Right. So it's about de-escalation
Yeah,
and knowing when to seek help.
exactly.
It's fascinating to see how these soft skills are just as important as the technical knowledge.
No, absolutely.
But while we're on the topic of teamwork,
Okay.
the application also delves into collaboration within the dental office.
Right. And the applicant emphasizes the need for clear communication,
Oh, wait.
both with the dentist and the rest of the team.
Mhm.
They give an example of a time when they proactively communicated a scheduling conflict
Oh,
to avoid disrupting the entire day's appointments.
right.
Yeah.
That kind of foresight is definitely valuable
Yeah,
in a busy dental
for
office.
sure.
It's not just about avoiding conflicts, though, right?
Right.
What about those times when disagreements arise?
Well, the applicant addresses that as well.
Yeah.
They talk about approaching disagreements with a calm and respectful attitude,
Right.
focusing on finding a solution that benefits the team and the patients. It sounds like they understand that a dental office is a collaborative environment where everyone needs to work together.
Right. It's like a well-oiled machine
Yeah,
where each part needs to function smoothly for the whole thing to work.
exactly.
But we've been focusing a lot on the patient interaction and the teamwork aspects.
Hmm.
What about the more administrative side of dental assisting? That
Yeah.
seems like a whole other skill set.
It is, yeah, and the application provides some interesting insights into that area as well.
So the application mentions like scheduling patient records and even like dealing with financial concerns.
Right.
I guess that's the reality of a dental office. It's
Yeah.
not all about teeth.
It's a business too,
Yeah.
and the applicant seems to understand that. They talk about the importance of managing appointments efficiently, obtaining accurate patient records,
Well,
and even handling sensitive financial information with discretion.
speaking of sensitive information,
Okay.
the application specifically mentions iPay.
Hmm.
It seems like they're aware of the legal and ethical considerations involved in handling patient data.
Absolutely, and they go beyond just mentioning iBay.
Okay.
They give a specific example of how they would ensure patient confidentiality.
Yeah.
By only discussing patient information with authorized personnel
Right.
and taking steps to protect physical records from unauthorized access.
So they're demonstrating a practical understanding of iPay compliance,
Yeah,
not just reciting the acronym.
exactly.
It's impressive to see how this applicant has woven together so many different skills and qualities in their application.
It is, yeah. It's clear that they've put a lot of thought into what it takes to be a successful dental assistant.
Yeah.
They've highlighted their technical skills, their interpersonal strength, and their understanding of the administrative and ethical responsibilities of the role.
It makes you realize that being a dental assistant is like a multifaceted job.
It is.
It's not just about assisting the dentist.
Right.
It's about being a communicator, a problem solver, a patient advocate.
All rolled into one.
Yeah, exactly.
And I think this application does a great job of showcasing that complexity.
Right.
It paints a picture of a well-rounded individual who's prepared to take on the challenges and rewards of this dynamic profession.
So as we wrap up our deep dive into this dental assistant application,
Okay.
what are some key takeaways for our listeners
Sure.
who might be considering this career path?
Well, I think the biggest takeaway is that dental assisting is more than just a job.
Mm-hmm.
It's a profession that requires a diverse set of skills and a genuine commitment to patient care.
Right.
It's not just about technical proficiency.
Yeah.
It's about communication, empathy, problem solving, and ethical awareness.
It's about being the heart of the dental office, making sure everything runs smoothly,
Yeah.
and that every patient feels cared for and comfortable.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And if this deep dive has piqued your interest, I encourage you to explore further. There are many resources available online and in your community where you can learn more about the field and even connect with practicing dental assistants.
You could shadow a dental assistant for a day,
Yeah.
volunteer at a dental clinic, or even take a course to kind of get a taste of what the work is really like.
But the possibilities are endless.
Yeah.
And remember, a career in dental assisting is a rewarding one,
Right.
offering the chance to make a real difference in people's lives while being part of a dynamic and ever-evolving field.
So there you have it, folks. Our deep dive into the world of dental assisting.
Mm-hmm.
as seen through the lens of a real internship application.
Right.
We hope this has given you a better understanding of what this profession is all about,
Yeah.
and maybe even sparked your interest in exploring it further.
Absolutely.
And until next time, keep those pearly whites shining. And remember, knowledge is power.